should. Did it beep? Is it going? Yeah. Is it recording?
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. All right, Bucks Fan 10. We'll try out the magazine that you sent me, and we'll see what she can do. I haven't shot this in a while, so we'll see. I guess we'll see how reliable this thing is, because I've been dry firing a lot with the snap caps. And well, first of all, if you can hear all that ruckus behind you, there's a train on the other side of the river. It's loud as shit right now.
There go all the cows.
And it'll probably be going for a little bit. So, anyway, I've been doing a lot of dry firing with the snap caps. And I found that the snap caps leave a little bit of residue in here, so I'm hoping that doesn't mess with anything while I'm shooting. But let's get into it and see what 33 rounds of fun is. It's gone. That's alright. We'll shoot that far.
Scared the hell out of the cows too.
Oh, failure. Well, we got one failure to feed, so put that in the old pocket. Alright. Right there. Whoa! I pulled the trigger and nothing happened. Wow! Did you watch the rail on that? Or the slide? Did it even go back?
I wasn't really watching it.
Huh. Wow, failure to eject.
You wanna stop this?
No.
All right.
I'm running some really old, dirty PMC that a buddy of mine gave to me. That's been in his trunk for a while, so that's pretty much why I'm getting all the failures to eject and stuff. I'm guessing it's shitty ass ammo. So. Wow. Holy shit. It's not even, it's not loading. It must be this magazine then maybe. I don't know. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's not loading one in for some reason. I just didn't have it seated all the way. Alright, so maybe that's what it was. I just didn't have it seated all the way. Alright, Bucks Fan 10. I think it was just me. I think I didn't have it all the way busted in there, so far so good, man. I mean, other than I think it was just undercharge and old shitty ass ammo, but I think the magazine's running good. We'll run it again, but we'll get back to you in a second.